In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate Navbar in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean, responsive hover animation to your navigation using Webflow's interactions, so your site feels more polished and engaging. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and making sure you're on the page and canvas where your navbar appears. If you have multiple pages or templates, switch to a page where the navbar is visible so you can work in context. It helps to zoom to 100% and turn on the navigator if you're not sure which element you're selecting. Click the navbar element on the canvas to select it. If your navigation is a reusable component, you'll see component controls at the top of the selection. That's a good thing. Editing a component lets you apply consistent behavior across all instances. Click Edit Component to open it for changes. This makes sure the animation you set up is saved to the component itself, so you don't have to recreate it on every page. Remember, changes you make here will update wherever this component is used. Now open the Interactions panel, the lightning icon on the right side of the designer. This is where you'll add triggers and timed animations tied to your selected element. With the navbar still selected, look for the Element Trigger section. Click the plus button beside Element Trigger to add a new trigger. You'll see several options. Choose Mouse Hover if you want the animation to play when a user hovers over the navbar or its links, which is a common pattern for navigation. Next, click Select an Action. You'll see options like Start an Animation. This is typically what you want for a navbar because it lets you define hover in and hover out timelines. For example, you might fade in an underline, shift the link up a few pixels, change the background of the menu, or adjust opacity. Keep hover durations short, around 150 to 250 milliseconds, and use easing like ease out for a snappy feel. Choose an action that fits your design direction. If you're starting an animation, pick or create the animation you want for hover in, then mirror a subtle reverse for hover out. Keep effects lightweight for performance and accessibility, and avoid large movements that can feel jumpy. When you're ready, click Preview to test the interaction. Hover over your nav to confirm timing, easing, and direction feel right. Try different breakpoints to ensure it behaves on tablet and mobile. If something looks off, exit Preview, tweak values, and test again until it feels smooth and consistent.